Hello everyone, I am Zinda and I genuinely don't know how to categorize what I have written because I sat down to actually write some jokes about patriarchy, but ना तो मैं engineering कर रही हूँ ना मैं लड़का हूँ, तो statistically I am not allowed to be funny. So what came out of my pen were not jokes, they were emotions, specifically anger. The anger that women don't express because लड़कियों को गुस्सा करना सूट नहीं करता. The kind of anger that is called overreacting. Because जब लड़की गुस्सा करती है वो strong नहीं होती, she is just overreacting. So this isn't comedy or something, this is just a simple thank you note to dear patriarchy. So dear patriarchy, thank you. Thank you for making me so strong by first making me hate being a woman. सेल्फ लव का जर्नी थोड़ा ड्रामेटिक है बट कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. थैंक यू फॉर टीचिंग मी दैट एवरीथिंग आई एज अ गर्ल विल बी रॉन्ग. रॉन्ग ड्रेस, रॉन्ग टोन, रॉन्ग टाइमिंग, even my silence will offend you. Thank you dear patriarchy for your standards, your high standards but yet flexible to adjust to your convenience. I as a girl can be too educated and less educated at the same time. डिग्री भी होनी चाहिए पर ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहिए. अगर ज़्यादा पढ़ ली तो शादी कौन करेगा और अगर कम पढ़ी तो शादी कौन करेगा. At least there is some consistency in your standards here. Men can't cry and women cry too much. Same दुख अलग फैसले, कोर्ट भी तुम्हारी और जज भी तुम ही हो. Women can be too young and too old at the same time. Too young to decide and too old to dream. Basically, expiry date without manufacturing.
Woo!
And the correct age to exist is not exist. And time. Oh my God. Thank you, dear patriarchy, for not even sparing a scientific concept. The same time can be. Imagine 11 p.m. for a guy. Late night drive, chill vibe, full vibe check. But 11 p.m. for a girl? Exactly. The crime has already been committed in your mind. Shameless, characterless. Crime ho na ho, character assassination is guaranteed. Dear patriarchy, thank you for making me feel so important कि पूरे खानदान की इज्जत मेरे कंधों पर. Dear patriarchy, thank you for teaching me culture. Women being independent and free, our culture is in danger. But men being violent with women, culture is safe. अरे बेटे गुस्से में हो जाता है, ये किसी के घर का पर्सनल मैटर है. Dear patriarchy, thank you for teaching me maths. Because women can't earn, but getting alimony is looting their husbands. Sanskar and air, money is optional. Dear patriarchy, thank you for teaching me safely. Don't go out late, don't talk to strangers, don't talk to boys, but also marry one blindly. सबसे अच्छा तुम्हारे लिए कौन जानता है. हमने भी किया है और चाहे विरासत में पैसे मिले ना मिले, जनरेशनल ड्रामा नहीं छूटना चाहिए. Thank you for all the rules. Talk softly, dress modestly, sacrifice a little, actually a lot. Don't laugh too much, don't reveal too much. Dear patriarchy, thank you for telling me my kurta is too short while sitting in a kacha banyan yourself. Dear patriarchy, thank you for constantly reminding how replaceable I am. Funny how replaceable women are, yet the whole system runs on us. Dear patriarchy, thank you. Thank you for making me independent. Thank you for making me rebellious. Thank you for making me human. Aware. You didn't raise women who are obedient. You raised questioning women. Women who will see. Women who will rise. Women who will question. Women who will speak. Women who won't adjust quietly anymore. And you don't scare us now. You just sound outdated. So dear patriarchy, you can just sit, relax and watch us as we burn this whole system down, not with fire but with voices that you tried to silence. Watch us take space, take mic, and take control. Thank you, dear patriarchy. You taught us exactly what we refuse to become.